Alright guys, you're wondering, how fast can a Jeep Cherokee actually go? Bone stock. Because you're like, the lift, sure, that'll slow it down, but how much does it really slow it down? So I've previously made a video with the Jeep on 33s with a 6-inch lift. So we're going to compare how fast this stock XJ that I got, well, my dad's XJ, so we're going to compare how a completely stock XJ is. So the stock 4-liter motor, stock tire size basically, so everything about it is pretty much original basically, and so nothing would change the performance of the engine or the speed or any of that. And yeah, so we're gonna see how fast we can get it to 60 miles an hour, and hopefully we'll be the other guy, right? Because somebody challenged me saying I couldn't go super fast, and I'm gonna show them that Jeep Cherokees can go really fast. Like, I'm gonna beat you. All right, let's get in there, find a place we can go straight and fast, and let's see how fast we can go in 60 to 60. Yeah, how fast we can go to 60 miles an hour in a certain amount of time. Let's do it. All right, let's go find that place. Somewhere straight, preferably no turns, not wet. And yeah, we'll just go and find a place in our XJ, because the Jeeps are better, right? Oh, yeah. Alright guys, we found ourselves a straight, mostly straight road, and so we're just gonna go to a dead stop here, right here. And now we're just gonna see how fast we can go up this road. Okay, ready? So this time will start, and we'll gauge from the video. Ready, set, go. Oh, we got a little burnout going. Okay. So there's a, right there. We're almost to 60. Boom, 60. Oh yeah, beat that, Dodge Dakota. Ha! All right. So we will just gauge the time off of the video and see how we did. I think we did pretty good. All right, guys, we did that in about 11 seconds, but I'm feeling like the burnout we did right at the beginning, I think we lost a little of the time there. So I'm thinking we can at least get to 10 seconds. So we're gonna go ahead and pull up to this flat area once these cars pass, so don't hit nobody. And we'll find ourselves on the straight, and if we can do it. So let's go to a dead stop. Here we go, we're going to a dead stop. Mark that. Now, ready? Go. Okay, let's try that again. Try that again. Come on, ready? Ready, set, from a dead stop. Ready, set, go. Okay, let's make it a 60. Come on, just 60, boom. There we go, we made it to 60. Okay, let's see if that's better. It keeps wanting to do a burnout. That's how good Jeep Cherokees are. So, not saying, they just like doing burnouts. So, let's check the time. There we go, we calculated it out. The first one is about 11 seconds, and then the second one was about 10 seconds. I don't have like a professional timer on it, so it's about 10 and 11, so that's definitely way better than what the other guy did. Just saying, you know who you are. And yeah, and I'm feeling like if you got it in the right settings, like it kept wanting to spin out on the wheels, like it had that much torque on it that it just wanted to spin out on the tires. And so if you did it right, you could probably get 9 seconds. Probably pretty easily if you got it to actually grab. So if you had actually good concrete, it could probably do it really good. So you could probably get 9 seconds. So there's your answer. With a completely stock XJ, you can get about 9 to 11 seconds. So it's probably about 10 seconds. So you can claim your Jeep Cherokee can get 10 seconds stock from 0 to 60. 0 to 60 in 10 seconds. Now I'm going to leave you with a famous tire spin from a Jeep XJ. It's kind of like a mic drop, but for cars. Yeah.